Hello and welcome back. In the last session, we looked into text formatter. Today, let's look into number formatting. To get started, click on plus and search for formatter by Zapier. Action event, click on numbers. We have various transform options like format currency, format number, format phone number, perform math operation, or spreadsheet style formula. Let's look into each of them one by one. Let's select format currency. It'll ask you for the input value, which could be from one of the steps from above or a static value. I'll give a static value. Currency. You can choose the currency locally. Currency format. Let's look into different options here. First, let me select this. I'll say continue. The input is 100. Currency is Indian rupee. Let's test and review. The output is 100 with Indian rupee symbol. Let me go back and change this format to the second one. Continue. Retest and review. You can see INR is added. Let me go back and take the third option. Retest and review. You can see it's expanded to Indian rupees. Likewise, each of this option has different output. You can test them and see which one suits your needs. Let's get back. Let's change format currency to format number. Let me first remove the extra fields that are not necessary for this operation. Let me go back, input and change it to 100.00. Input decimal mark is period. To format, we have to mention if the formatting needs to be done with comma for grouping and period for decimal, or period for grouping and comma for decimal, space for grouping and period for decimal, or space for grouping and comma for decimal. Let me say comma for grouping and period for decimal. Continue. So the input and output are exactly the same. Let me go to setup action and change this to period for grouping and comma for decimal. Continue. Retest and review. As you can see, the dot is changed to comma. And if the input is greater than 1000, let me continue. Retest and review. As you can see, we have used a period for grouping and comma as a decimal. Likewise, we can change the numbers to the format that we want. Let's head back. Let's look into format phone number. The input has to change. Before that, I'll remove the extra fields that are not necessary for this operation. Let me put my country code and then my phone number. To format, let's select one of these options and select this one. Phone number country code. Unfortunately, we do not have India available here. So I'll leave it to default option, and validate phone number, I'll leave it to no. Click on continue. Test and review. So as you can see, the output is in the format that we chose. Likewise, you can change this to any format that you wish, and the output will be shown accordingly. Let's head to the next option of transformation, perform math operation. Let me remove the unwanted fields. So we'll have to choose the operation that we are looking for. These are basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and making a value negative. Let's look into it. Addition, we'll have to give two or more numbers. You can give more numbers here. I'll click on continue. Test and review. The output will be 50. Likewise, you can do any other operations that you wish. Let's look into the last one, which is make negative. So here I just need one value. I'll put 10 and I'll click on continue. Retest and review. Since we had given 10 as the input, it will negate it and give minus 10 as the output. Let's head back. The last option in transforming numbers is spreadsheet-style formula. For those who have been using Excel or Google Sheets regularly, this would be the best option. So let me just remove the unwanted fields. Now here we can use formulas. I'll give sum of two numbers. I'll click on continue. As you can see, the output is 30. Let's try something like float 6. Continue. Retest and review. The value would be 123. Let's try ceiling. Same value. The output, as expected, is 124. This way, you can use any spreadsheet-style formula in Zapier. To understand what are the different spreadsheet formulas that we can use, you can head to this link. They have explained clearly about each different spreadsheet formulas that we can use. I hope this session was helpful. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.